Hey guys, this is the next video on rounding off to significant figures. It's probably a week 2 video, but if you're going ahead, then whatever works for you. Now, rounding to significant figures is something you might have heard of, but haven't been really sure what it means. It's another form of rounding. Example, you might be asking the question to round off to 3 significant figures, or 3 SF. So just like before, if you do this, you want to use the approximate sign, and then you want to put in brackets after how many significant figures you rounded to. Now, significant figures, not fingers, are digits of a number that carry meaning and are not just placeholders. So really, you're trying to show the number, ignoring all the placeholders. Okay. So if I could make the rules more concise and very clear, here they are. Leading zeros, so zeros that come after the decimal place but before any non-zero numbers. So let's say you had 0.0003. Those leading zeros are not significant. Okay, so the 000 before the 3 would not be significant. However, all non-zero digits are significant. All zeros that lay between non-zero digits are significant. And finally, zeros that come after non-zero numbers in the decimal are also significant. So visually, if I was to write a number, let's say 0.00034009, based on those rules there, how many significant figures do I have? Well, this, according to the first rule, leading zeros after the decimal before non-zero digits are non-significant. So this, not significant. All non-zero numbers are significant. So 1, 2, 3. And zeros between non-zero digits are significant as well. So this 0 is between non-zero digits, so significant. So that is 4 significant figures. Okay. Now, the only tricks that come along is when you're asked to round to a certain amount of significant figures. You need to look at this, apply those rules, and apply the same rounding rules as before. So I'm going to give you an example. Let's say I wanted to round 7.182 to 2 SF. Well, if we look at that, 7.182, they're currently all significant figures. Okay, I want it to be only 2 significant figures. So based on this, it's going to be 7 point something. Okay, so if I run it through, I'm going to cut it off to here. I'm rounding off to the second significant figure, so I need to look at the one after it, and like the rounding rules before, if it's over 5, then I have to round it up. If it's under 5, I need to round it down. So this really, if you use the approximate sign, it's going to be 7.2 to 2 significant figures. Alright, so hopefully that helps you with that. I'm going to try a decimal example now. So what about 0. No, let's use the example from above. 0.3409. Let's say I wanted that to 3 significant figures. Alright, well, based on our rule before, we've already said that these are not significant. They're leading zeros. These are all significant, but I want 3 significant figures, so I should have written what the actual question is to 3SF. So basically it's going to be that long. Okay, these aren't significant, so they're going to be part of the answer later. So I need to look at this number here. Is it above 5? Yes, so I need to round this up by 1. So 0.00034009 to 3 significant figures is going to be 0.000341 to 3SF. Alright, so I hope that helps you out with the concept of significant figures. It's a little tricky to think of. I haven't personally had to use it that much overall, but you do need to be aware of it according to SACE. So see you on the next video.